Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming core prerequisites. Check Android version and enable NFC in connections. Install or verify Google Play services because Google Pay requires it to handle tokens and secure transactions. If your Honor uses Huawei mobile services only, you will need to install GMS framework first. Follow a trusted GMS installer. Once done, sign into your Google account. Then open the Play Store to update Play services and Google Pay so the app can register your device properly. Now install Google Pay and open it to start setup. You add a card by tapping payment method, photographing your card, and completing bank verification. This step creates a secure token so your card number stays private. Make Google Pay the default tap-to-pay handler in settings default apps tap and pay, and confirm NFC is active. Once the card is verified, Google Pay will provision an encrypted token to Google Play services, enabling contactless transactions without exposing your actual card number. Finish by testing with a small contactless purchase to confirm tap-to-pay works. Approach the terminal and wait for the confirmation tone. If it fails, first make sure NFC is on. Google Pay is the default tap handler, and Play services are updated because provisioning errors often come from missing GMS components. If problems persist, remove and re-add the card to force reprovisioning or reinstall the GMS framework. Finally, contact your bank to ensure they permitted tokenization for your card.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.